Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County, Eastern Guadalupe County, Northern Gonzales County, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fentress to 12 miles south of Kingsbury, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Lockhart, Gonzales, Lewing, Wilder, Kingsbury, Staples, Fentress, Palmetto State Park, Geronimo, Zorn, Brownsboro, Delhi, Joliet, Oak Forest, Belmont, McNeil, Thompsonville, Platine, and Monfalia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.